Y'all, I saw this little sign and I thought it was too cute. So let's make a wreath. All right, so let's figure this guy out. So whenever I'm looking at an oval, I want to make sure I build this out. So I'm thinking I want this guy hanging kind of at an angle over here. Let's get our sunflower stem fluffed out. All right, with one sunflower stem this way. All right, this one coming out this way. Then we'll have our bow, and then we'll fill in with our little greenery pieces. All right, so let's start with getting this guy attached. Y'all, it does have a little tooth hook at the top, so I am going to utilize that. A little bit of rapid fuse. All right, a little dab of rapid. All right. Let's get this attached on here. All right, so we're just getting that attached into the grapevine. So I'm attaching this one as far over this way as I can. And then I'm going to attach this one as far over as this way as I can so I can get that cute angle. Let's get our bow in there next. All right, so I'm going to start with the bright orange. Let's cut it the way it's supposed to be here. So we're going to use 60 inches of it. So 36 and 20 and how many? 24? All right, we're going to need one more just like that. All right, measure out your 12 inches. All right, twist that one out. Measure out to about 7 inches. Measure out 7 inches this way. All right, so we're just making our little X. All right, then we're gonna take our other one, our 2.5 this time. We're gonna measure out about 8 inches. Give it a good twist. We're gonna measure out 7. And then have our tail. All right, y'all, then we're gonna do the orange again. Measure out 12. We want all our long tails on this side. All right, now we're gonna take our 1.5. Start with our 8-inch tail. Deborah, you could totally put some raffia in your boat. I did not have enough raffia to provide it for kits, so I can't add it in this one. All right, and then we're gonna use some orange for our center loop. All right, grab the 20-inch pipe cleaner. Slide it off. Wrap your pipe cleaner around it. And give it a good twist. All right. Your ribbon should automatically want to pop up. All right, y'all, I'm going to have my long tails all going down towards the bottom. All right, let's get our bow in here. All right, so I wanted my bow to sit right at the corner of his scarf. All right, now this has this burlap rope on it, which is gonna make it really hard to work with. So I am going to break this free. So I'm just gonna start cutting that rope off. Hopefully, there we go. That's what I wanted, was to get that part so it unwraps. Now, y'all, normally we want a spray like this that we can just insert right into our grapevine, but this one is almost a 1/2 inch thick at the base. It's gonna really limit what you can do and where you can put stuff. So we don't want to be limited. All right, y'all, now we're just gonna have a whole bunch of loose stems, which means we're gonna have to do more work when we're building it out, but I think we'll be happier with the result. All right, I'm gonna leave some of these smaller stems connected. All right, so we're gonna start with one of our sunflower bushes. Y'all, I wanna make sure that I get at least one sunflower out here towards the front of his face. So whenever we do our main focal points, we like to do them in 3s. So here's one. Let's get one down here. And then I'm gonna do one kind of sitting down here a little bit. Now we're gonna start filling in the rest of this. I always try to hide the stems. I also try to leave the stems as long as possible. Whenever you're doing this many individual stems, I probably would have heated up the glue pot if I would have thought about it, but now it's too late. All right, y'all, let's get some of these tails cleaned up just a little bit. So I'm gonna keep my ribbon tails about to the length of right before the greenery stops. So I wanna see the greenery past the ribbon tail. All right, so let's build out the top a little bit. So I want to try to offset what we did at the bottom. So I've got a large sunflower here. I'm going to look right across and try to get one down this way. Try to get one going up here towards the top. All right, I want to bring one of these flowers over here towards his hat. All right, now when we're making our design, we want to try to keep that oval shape. So don't just like stick a third leg out here, like that ain't cute. We've got our leaves here. now we've got these filler pieces. We're gonna do our same little triangle type. All right, we got a leaf there. We got to trim up these for sure. Tuck those back in. All right, y'all, that's it. Bye, y'all.